I have this tray that I got at Dollar General. Using some Antique Villa and a Klingon brush, I'm covering the entire tray with 2 coats. The cute little hand you see in the bottom left is my granddaughter, who I miss very much. She's the best helper ever. Now, once I get these 2 coats, I found this truck left over from Valentine's Day. And I am covering the entire truck with Higgins Lake. The stand I'm going to put to the side. And this truck originally was $2 from Dollar General. I found this farmhouse stencil from Hobby Lobby. It's from Folk Art. And I'm cutting out the part farmhouse. With some masking tape, I am holding down the stencil and using some dabbers and some Higgins Lake. Using a very dry dabber, I'm covering my stencil farmhouse. Now that is the key to stenciling. Very dry, you want to load, unload, and use a dabbing motion because any type of brush stroke is going to push the paint under the stencil. Now when that was done and dry, I took an art brush and filled in my letters. I'm taking a 320 sand grit and sanding my entire project. Also, a tip with stenciling is sanding your stenciled area. Just gives it a more natural look, especially if you did get any little bleed through. This just takes your eye away from it. I am now hot gluing my truck to my tray. I found these succulents at Hobby Lobby in the wall decor. It was a box with quite a few in there, and I needed about 4 to fill the back of my truck. Now, obviously, this is now going to be a wall decor. It's no longer going to be able to be used as a tray. I felt like it needed something, so Jamie on the Cricut created me the word #succulent. And once that stencil was down, using the same technique as before, we applied chocolate with a dabber. Guys, if you like this tutorial, go check us out on YouTube. And for any paint products or brushes, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.